so we can show the box.
Yeah, close the box.
So we got our snack box. Snack box. And I'll try to keep my shirt up this time. Last time I kept exposing. There it is.
Came home from work today, and this was on the counter. Who's out? Who's that? You got tree.
Tree. All right, you ready?
All right, let's do this.
Okay. Ooh. Scandinavia.
From Saskatchewan.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 snackies.
Let's see where they're from, though. We got Ireland, Norway, Sweden,
Oh.
Finland, Stockholm,
Oh, cool. And
Denmark, Oslo, and I can't pronounce that one right there, so
oh, cool.
have no clue what that is.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I didn't know that's what this was the last time. That shows how much I pay attention.
I know you were in such a hurry to get the snacks. You decided, like, I'm going to skip this part. I don't need that.
Okay. Well, so here we go. Here comes the snacks.
All right. These are Kim's. They're snack chips. Yes, and they're called Kim's. Snack chips.
All right. So open them up.
Well, let's see. Let's show everybody what we got first. Hold on. And another
We didn't
one.
do this the last time. We just showed them as we ate them.
Okay. Well, okay. Look. Holy crap! Look at that one.
Ooh,
You
is
wanna
that
eat this one
chocolate?
first? I think so.
I don't know. It may have coconut in it.
Choco flagger? Choco
I
flagger?
don't do coconut.
I don't know if it's coconut. Well, it ain't in English, so I can't tell you what it is. It's that thing. All right, hold on.
Can I touch something? I want to touch something. Won't let me touch it.
Oh, Carolina chocolate.
Well, that one's safe. I can eat that.
Yeah, salted Carolina chocolate.
Ooh.
What's that? What is that?
It says salted licorice.
Oh my god.
Oh.
That's gonna
It's
be
going to
horrible.
be a yucky face.
Oh, I think it's black too.
I do too.
Ugh.
Okay, so let's do something
all right,
first.
okay.
Okay. Should we do the snack chips first?
Yeah, we do snack chips.
All right. These look pretty good.
They're just chips anyway, so. But they're from Scandinavia. They smell like.
Chip.
Yeah, smell like
You
chips.
want to smell?
Scratch it.
All right. You know what it looks like? It looks like a bugle. Like the texture of it, because see, it's like wavy.
This is the bugle before they make it into the bugle.
What's on it? It's like,
I don't know what's on it.
it's not barbecue, but
It's original.
it's kind of a barbecue-esque.
Well,
Nothing's in English.
It's not. Well, it's from Scandinavia. It wouldn't be in English. Those are actually pretty good. Let me get one of them.
Wait. Salt was in English, but that was the only thing I saw that was...
That's probably don't even mean salt in English.
Okay. That's not bad.
Well,
I
that's a
kind
good
of
one.
like that one.
Yeah.
Okay. You open the other chip?
Okay. We'll do other chip. Oh, they got that yummy bag too. Like the last one.
It was really good, the last one.
Hey, this is in English. When you're hungry for fun. Yo, look at this. It's his damn lucky potato.
Saunderso, made in Saunderso.
Guess that's a damn lucky potato, huh?
This one has paprika and salt. I can read those two things, but
This
that's
was- most
an
of us-
aroma.
So we can smell it?
I guess so. It's got aroma.
I didn't know they start putting aroma in chips.
I didn't either. All right, Mr. Freeze is on.
Mr. Freeze. What up, Mr. Freeze?
Hey, it's just like a regular Ruffles. Hey, lavender. Ew, I don't like this one. Yeah,
Well, it tastes like an aroma.
yeah. I didn't like that one. Oh, that was nasty.
It was
Oh.
okay,
No.
but it wasn't a chip
Well,
that...
then you eat it.
Well, last time never mind.
I'll eat these. You have those. Those
Okay.
are gross.
All right.
Everybody say hi to Luke.
Bye, Luke.
Bye.
Bye, Luke.
Bye.
All right, so
Choco Flagas.
flogger.
Yeah.
Flogger?
Choke of lager.
Choco vlogger. All right, open them up.
All right.
Let's see what they are.
I think they're cookies.
It's hot in here.
Hey, you know what Nelly said, right?
What?
When he said,
Oh.
it's getting hot in here, so what?
Yeah, well, we ain't taking the clothes off. Mmm. Those are interesting looking.
Pretty big.
Hey, Sandra.
Sandra!
All right.
It's like a sandwich.
Ooh, it is kind of like a sandwich.
You eat it first.
I'm afraid.
Sniff it.
Oh, I kind of want to.
You have to put your nose in the cookie.
Well, pretty good.
Okay. You said pretty good.
Tolbert says, hey.
Who?
Tolbert.
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 Yo, what up, dog?
I mean, it's a bland cookie. It's got a little chocolate on it. It's crispy,
Like, super crispy.
but
So it's gonna fall apart.
it's not like super duper sweet. You know what we need is some of those buenos.
I still got a whole bunch of them at the house.
We need more. Okay. These cookies aren't bad. They're okay.
What?
You don't like it?
No.
Really?
Just like it's stale.
No, they're crispy.
It's got a crispy, stale taste. That's like nasty.
Oh, oops.
That's something for Lily. It's nasty.
The rabbit killer.
Rabbit killer. Hey, rabbit killer, what's up? It's like when you want a cookie, right? And they just give you something crispy with no taste to it.
Yeah. I mean, it's not awful, but it's not great.
There's nothing I would, write home to mom about
We probably should have just split one.
or ever eat it again.
Yeah. And put it back on the thing if you don't want.
Thank you. I ain't gonna be able to get that out of my mouth now. We'll save the licorice for later, though.
Oh, that'll be last.
Yeah, like the very last.
That way, if it's awful, we can spit it out.
Yeah, we need some cognac or something to
hang
cover
on.
this. I think it's gonna be. I'm pretty. It looks black though.
Huh?
It does. It looks like it's gonna be black licorice.
I'm afraid.
A salted
Here you go.
licorice. Oh, thank you, because I know.
So I have my work from home mullet on. It's where you have a nice top up top because everybody thinks you're business up top, but then you got your workout breeches at the bottom.
Well, I got leftover dirt from work. So
Okay. Well, that cookie's gone. Let's put them up. Okay.
here, you can keep those.
Red will eat them.
You probably would.
Let's see.
I'm waiting to get into this baby right here. Yeah. What? This is
Hey, Jackie.
the.
Hey, Michelle. I don't know if I can get it back in the package.
Darmar? What's it, Darmar?
Yeah. Demure?
This is Icelandic milk chocolate and salted caramel crispy puffs.
Oh, I'm tearing the package up, trying to get it back into the package.
There more.
That looks pretty good.
That looks pretty good.
All right.
A lot of it's in English.
Now the cookies are back in its package.
So it has natural and artificial flavor.
Oh, I gotta have a drink.
Cocoa, yeah, milk. Yeah, it's pretty good. Dum dum dum.
All right, let's try this.
You know I'm a caramel. I love caramel. Caramels. Is it caramel or caramel?
I call it caramel. I call it caramel.
I call it caramel.
So, caramel, same difference. We know what we're talking about. You get Nancy.
Me too. It looks pretty. It looks pretty.
I don't know.
Ooh. Okay.
You like it?
It's not regular, like regular chocolate that we're used to in the States.
See, even Jackie says it like I say it. It's caramel.
Okay.
I'm not sure I like it.
But yeah, it's not like chocolate in America.
Okay, I like
dark
Buenos. I like Buenos.
Okay, but that's German chocolate.
Yeah, I like that.
You know, so you're used to German chocolate. We're not used to Icelandic chocolate.
I don't like it.
I like it. I'm gonna smash
I
this.
don't like it.
I'm smashing this one. Just saying.
Well, you can smash it.
I'm smashing this one.
So do we eat the yummy bag or are we going to try the licorice first?
Oh,
Should we get the licorice out of the way?
no.
Oh.
Matter of fact, yes. Get it out of the way.
No. We got to at least try it. All right. It says it's a salty licorice. Okay. The name of it is a salmiakamata.
Something. It sounds like salmonella, so I don't want to eat it.
No. All right, so let's try. Let's try it. Oh, this one's gonna be bad.
Get out. You look. You sniffing it and don't even want it. Oh God.
Smell it.
Mm-mm.
Look. We have to try it. We have to try everything at least once.
For real.
Yes.
Oh, I hate that.
Look. We can just. Oh.
Eat that piece. Only
I
in there.
will. I'll eat it. But I thought it would pull a bigger piece off. Okay.
Okay, that's big enough.
That's big enough.
Hold on. Wait, not yet.
It smells awful. It smells like tar.
Oh yeah, it does.
All right. So on the count of 3.
Count of 3. This because I hate.
I am so
black.
not looking
I hate
forward to this.
black licorice. Okay, on 3.
All right.
1, 2. I don't want to do this.
Oh my goodness. Okay, now I'm sweating. All right.
You count.
1, 2, 3. Oh, where's my water?
Oh my God.
Oh. All right. Let's get something to get that out of our mouth. Here, got one of those. Oh.
It's still
Hurry.
stuck in my tooth. Oh, that's nasty. Hold on. Oh. For you black licorice fans, y'all can eat that all day.
Oh.
Oh, that was horrible.
Then my eyes water. Oh, that was awful. Oh.
It fought itself back because it stuck to my
Yes, it
tooth.
did. It stuck to my tooth, and it was like...
It didn't want to go nowhere.
I thought if I chewed it and swallowed it real fast, I wouldn't taste it. Oh, that was horrible.
Yeah.
All right.
I was getting thrown away like
That was rough.
ASAP.
I like licorice too, but not black licorice.
Look, if it ain't Twisters, I'm not eating it.
That's right. Oh, my eyes are watering. Oh, that was rough.
That was horrible. Oh, it's still fighting.
Yeah, that one was bad.
Ah.
Oh.
Mm.
Oh. Ew.
Oh my god.
Well, the sack's not open this time.
Okay, good.
All right. Full of fun, it says, and yum. Snack bag.
That's that surprise snack bag that it comes with, so you don't know what it is.
Oh, pardon me.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine now.
Okay.
Whoops.
That's that licorice fighting back. That's what that is.
Gingerbread toffee.
How many is in there?
2.
Yeah.
And then,
Was there 2 gingerbread toffees? Ooh, what is
yeah,
that?
a cookie. It's called a cookie Douglas? Is that what it says? Oh, my eyes are still watering.
Cookie dough.
y'all. Cookie dough?
Yeah. It says cookie dough. Mine says cookie dough. What does yours say?
I don't.
Yeah, that's cookie dough.
Not cream. Cookie dough.
It's a big old ball.
Yeah. All right. And then we've got the German.
Hey,
the
Sarah.
Gingerbread toffee. It's not the same Sarah.
And it says Sarah. I just said hey because it was there. Anyway, hey Sarah, I see you.
All right. Looks good. It's softish, like toffee.
Like a caramel.
Uh-huh. Like caramel. Caramel.
You know those big old cubes of caramel that you can get from the gas station?
No?
You haven't seen them in the little wrappers there was by the gas station, the big old block of them? They're awesome. I love them.
Go on, dog. All right, let's try this. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
What is that? It's just like ginger.
Oh, it says gingerbread on it?
No, like real ginger. Oh, holy crap!
Very chewy. It's a
Oh,
very
that's-
strong
Right.
gingerbread type flavor.
It's all ginger.
Very strong.
Oh crap! I know that ginger tea that we drink. That's what it tastes like.
Well,
Oh yeah.
this tastes better. Not much, but it tastes better.
I'd rather drink the tea. That is horrible. I'm not even finishing that. Oh my god. Oh.
Okay, I got it down. It's stuck in my teeth.
You just championing this today. I'm just being a wuss. I can't finish it. I'm sorry. That's just.
All right, I'm gonna try the cookie dough thing.
It's fighting back too. It's in there. It don't want to die.
Ooh. Let's see the little chocolate.
Oh,
shoot!
chocolate down.
ball.
Chocolate down.
Chocolate ball. Lily almost got a chocolate ball. All right, a little chocolate ball.
Look, just hold it in your knuckles like this.
I'm afraid it'll melt. I'm so warm for some reason. I guess because of my head.
It won't melt on me because I'm already chocolate. So chocolate
Hopefully,
don't
but-
melt on chocolate.
All this sugar and stuff, it'll. Oh my gosh. All this chocolate stuff will make my headache go away. All right. Are you ready?
Ready. Ooh, it's soft. Oh. Wow.
You know what that tastes like? It's like a cross between coffee and peanut butter. See,
Like
it's
peanut butter
like
coffee.
gooey in the middle.
It's actually really good.
It's different. I don't know if you'd call it good. It's different. It's better than the toffee thing, and it's definitely better than the licorice, and it's definitely better than the cookie.
Yes. So it's been this and the chips.
Yeah, the snack
chips.
chips. Those American grilled chips were.
Oh, wait. Forgot about the caramel.
I didn't like it.
I liked it. But we can agree on that this cookie, and the chips were the bomb.
That one was definitely good. I like the chips in this. And then I would have to say that
You don't bite it.
no. No.
No.
All right, well that was interesting.
Very.
I like chips. I like the chips.
Looks like I'm not getting any more of those. So
I'm
I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. Eat the candy.
You can have that. You want a chip?
You can eat them cookies though.
The cookies are in the box.
You can have the cookies.
Well, that was the snacks.
From Scandinavia.
Yep.
Y'all need to step up y'all snack game. I'm gonna just let y'all know that Scandinavia. Because this stuff right here, okay.
Wasn't as good as Brazil. Brazil
Yeah.
actually had decent stuff. This one,
Yeah.
I don't know.
And whatever the heck this was right here,
That lettuce, that licorice was awful.
this is nasty.
Yep. If you like black licorice, you would love it.
No,
We don't so
this
much.
is nasty.
So, all right.
Horrible.
Well, okay. Well, Scandinavia snacks were not really all that,
You wanna
but
give it a rating. You gonna do 4? Best out of 5.
I would give it a 2.
A 2?
Well, because this one was good,
Okay.
and the other little candy thing was good, but then all the other stuff I didn't care for.
Okay, so Scandinavia, you get the number 2. Sorry,
Yeah, out of 5.
out of 5.
Maybe a pushing a 3, but most likely a 2.
Maybe a 2.5 ish.
2.5.
All right.
All right. Well, that was snacks for the evening. You guys need to sign up for the snack box from I think it's called a Universal
Yummy!
Snack Box, or what's it called? Universal Yums.
UniversalYums.com.
.com. All right.
It might
So
look backwards.
probably is on there. All right. Well, you guys have a great night. Enjoy your evening.